Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing all over the internet, OnlyFans. You've probably heard about it, whether through social media, influencers, or even mainstream news. But what exactly is OnlyFans, and how does it work? Well, you're in the right place because today I'll break it all down for you. What OnlyFans is, who uses it, how people make money from it, and whether it's really worth the hype. So make sure to watch till the end because there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. What is OnlyFans? So let's start with the basics. OnlyFans is a content subscription platform that allows creators to share exclusive content with their subscribers for a price. It was launched in 2016 by Tim Stokely, and initially it was meant for artists, fitness trainers, chefs, and other professionals who wanted to monetize their content directly. But over time, it gained popularity in the adult entertainment industry and is now widely known for NSFW content. However, it's not limited to that. Many influencers, musicians, and fitness coaches also use it. Think of it like Patreon or YouTube memberships, where fans pay a subscription fee to access exclusive posts, videos, and messages from their favorite creators. How does OnlyFans work? Alright, now that we know what it is, let's talk about how it works. OnlyFans is a simple platform. You create an account as either a creator or a subscriber. For creators, you set up your profile, decide on a subscription price, or keep it free. Upload content, photos, videos, behind-the-scenes clips, live streams, or even one-on-one messages. Fans subscribe and pay monthly to access your content. You can also sell pay-per-view, PPV content, or receive tips from fans. For subscribers, fans, you find your favorite creator and pay a monthly subscription fee, which can range from $5 to $50+. You get access to their exclusive content, interact via messages, and even request custom content for an extra price. So, it's basically a direct-to-fan content sharing platform where creators have full control over what they post and how much they charge. How do people make money on OnlyFans? Now let's talk about what everyone is curious about. How do creators actually make money on OnlyFans? There are multiple ways to earn. 1. Subscription fees. Fans pay a monthly fee to access content. 2. Pay-per-view, PPV content. Special videos or pictures available for an extra cost. 3. Tipping. Fans can send direct tips to creators. 4. Live streaming earnings. Creators can go live and receive real-time tips. 5. Custom content requests. Personalized videos or messages for a higher price. 6. Affiliate program. Creators earn a percentage by referring new users to OnlyFans. And here's the catch. OnlyFans takes a 20% cut of what creators earn, and the rest goes directly to them. Some top creators make millions per year, while others use it as a side hustle. Why is OnlyFans so popular? So why has OnlyFans become such a massive phenomenon? Direct monetization. Creators get paid directly by fans without needing ads or sponsorships. No platform restrictions. Unlike YouTube or Instagram, OnlyFans allows adult content, giving creators more freedom. Fan engagement. Subscribers get exclusive content and direct interaction with their favorite creators. High earning potential. Many creators have turned OnlyFans into a full-time income stream. Plus, with social media pushing more people towards exclusive content models, platforms like OnlyFans have exploded in popularity. Is OnlyFans safe and worth it? Now here's an important part. Is OnlyFans safe? While it's a legitimate platform, creators should be aware of a few things. Privacy risks. Your content can get leaked, so always be cautious. Tax obligations. Income from OnlyFans is taxable, so plan accordingly. Platform policies. OnlyFans can remove content or ban accounts if they violate terms. Mental health aspects. The pressure to constantly create exclusive content can be stressful. For subscribers, it's important to only follow verified accounts to avoid scams. So, is it worth it? That depends. If you have valuable content that people are willing to pay for, then it can be a great way to monetize your work. The future of OnlyFans, what's next? With the rise of subscription-based platforms, OnlyFans is expected to keep growing, but it's also facing competition from new players like Fansly, Patreon, and Ko-Fi. Some creators are already looking for alternative platforms with better policies and payment options. Also, OnlyFans has been under pressure from governments and payment processors, which could lead to stricter rules in the future. So, if you're planning to join, it's best to stay updated on platform changes. So there you have it. OnlyFans is much more than just an adult content platform. It's a powerful tool for creators to make money directly from their fans. Whether you're an artist, fitness coach, or entertainer, it provides a unique way to monetize your exclusive content. What do you think about OnlyFans? Would you ever use it as a creator or subscriber? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ABC Hosting for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.